In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on a video in CapCut PC. If you need to point out a specific detail, circle something important, or add simple handwritten doodles directly onto your footage, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The process is quick, and once you know where the tool is, it becomes very easy to use whenever you need to highlight something on screen. To get started, the first thing we need to do is open the drawing panel. Move your mouse to the main navigation area in the top left section of the CapCut interface. There, click on the tab labeled Stickers. Once that section opens, look just below for the option called Draw and click that as well. This will open the built-in brush tools in the sidebar, which is where all of your drawing controls will appear. Next, take a moment to set up your brush the way you want it. In the sidebar, you'll see different drawing preset options. Choose the brush style that best fits what you're trying to do. For example, you can use a pen brush for a cleaner, sharper line, or choose a marker if you want something softer and more like a highlight. After that, select a color that will stand out clearly on top of your video. Bright tones like yellow or red usually work well because they're easy to see against most backgrounds. Then adjust the size slider to make your line thinner or thicker. This matters because a small size is better for precise markings, while a larger size can make circles, arrows, and highlights more visible. Once your brush is ready, move your cursor over to the preview window in the center of the screen. When you do, your pointer will change into a crosshair-style brush tool. That lets you know CapCut is ready for you to draw directly onto the frame. Click, hold, and drag your mouse to create your drawing. You can circle an object, draw an arrow, underline something, or sketch any simple annotation you need directly over the clip. As soon as you release the mouse button, CapCut automatically creates a new purple graphics overlay block on your timeline. This block controls how long your drawing stays visible. To change that timing, move your mouse to the right edge of the purple block, then click and drag it left or right to shorten or extend the duration. This helps you match the drawing perfectly to the part of the video where you want it to appear. And that's it. You're all set to draw directly on your video in CapCut PC.